And if you understand this, you will understand the different stages of the project. Initial is tendering stage, then your mobilization. This is the transit stage. From here to here, your tendering is done, and here at this stage, your contract is awarded to the final contractor. Okay. Then during this is the stage mobilization, that is the transit stage. The moment your award is given, the contractor starts giving the orders to the manufacturers for supply of material to the project site. After arrival of project material at project site, your EAR policy, storage cum erection policy, it starts. This is the start of your SCE or EAR policy. Then your project builds up and it reaches 100% stage. Now at this stage, your plant and machinery is ready. Project is completed. Now your testing starts. All right. Now there are two types of testing: cold testing, hot testing. Cold testing may come during this period stage. This is the construction period stage. Is a stage only. Cold testing has to be completed. Hot testing is done here in testing phase. Once the testing is completed, or integral testing is also done in the testing phase during that period. Once testing is completed, the plant is considered as 100% tested and commissioned, successful, tested. And then provisional handing over is provisional taking over will take place at this point of time. Now, the moment your principal takes over provisionally, now it becomes an operational policy. During this period, this is now your defect liability period or maintenance period. During this period, the insurance company is not liable to pay any operational loss during this EAR policy. This I am repeating again and again. Don't make any mistake. People are under the impression that during maintenance period, they do not go for operational. And ideally, they are not supposed to go. They should tell the principal, my dear sir, now the plant is operational. You are running, you are responsible for that. Please take operational policy during this period. Insurance company is responsible to inform the client. And during this maintenance period, insurance company is supposed to pay claims related to maintenance activity. What kind of claims? During the course of maintenance. If during the course of doing some welding work, your welding spark, it fell on the ground floor and it causes a big fire loss. It has happened. I have seen 25 crores claim just during the course of maintenance because of falling of spark. At the ground floor, some material was lying and it caught fire and it was big loss. 25 crores loss I have seen during this maintenance period. Once the maintenance period is also over, after then this final taking over of the policy will be done, and this is the end of EAR policy. Okay. So this is your storage cum erection period, this is your testing period, and this is your maintenance period or defect liability period. This speaks of entire thing. If you understand this graph properly, you will not make any mistake.